Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use or enter star codes on Roblox. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your Roblox application or visit the roblox.com website and make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Now from the main homepage, tap the three dots at the bottom right and tap on your premium option at the top in order to end up in the membership page. Scroll all the way down from the membership page and you'll be able to see the star code field. Tap on the link and enter your star code associated with your favorite video star. After you are done, tap on the add button, and when the code is accepted, you'll be able to see the person you are supporting. Follow the steps to complete the transaction. That is how you can easily use your star code on Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.